Hello friends, I'm Om and at last, after such a long time, Cosmic Desktop is moving forward with some exceptional growth. And today we're gonna explore the latest version of Cosmic Desktop and its new update, the Frosted Glass effect. Like really, it's gonna be amazing. So yep, let's begin. Alright then, so here we are on my desktop and yep, I'm gonna test it on virtual machine. So let's begin. Alright then, so here we are. Let me just first fix the desktop, display resolution. All we have to do is just go to the desktop's display settings, resolution 1920 in 1080p. There you go, crispy and clear. It's 60 Hz. It would be enough for the video, hopefully. Alright then, so this is Cosmic. And to be honest, it feels quite good to be honest, like quite snappy if you ask me. We have a launcher, then we have our workspaces on the left side, applications there, and all the other stuff. Now you might be wondering, where is the new frosted glass appearance? Well, you're gonna have to actually enable that from the settings. So let me just first go to settings, enter. In the desktop, go to appearance and then scroll down until you see this frosted glass. And from here you can enable all of them. First goes the panel, the top bar, applets, and then the system interface, Windows. Well, we have this option as well, frost thickness and glass opacity. Now, in order to get the exact look as it was in the thumbnail, increase the frost thickness to maximum, decrease the opacity until you see this. Just take a look at this. It's just so damn amazing. It literally looks like a Hyperland rice. Isn't it just beautiful, is it? And now everywhere it is applied. Let me just show you. The search bar, applications, and even like normal applications. Just take a look at this. This is File Explorer. It looks darn good. And not just that, like any system application, even terminal. There you go. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? And the best part, let me just show you, system monitor. Scroll down a little and there you see, it's only using 2 GB of RAM. Earlierly, Pop! OS used to be a little heavy like Ubuntu, but now, right now, it's just awesome. Because the Cosmic Desktop Compositor takes so less RAM. You can even see what's going on here. See, it's just, it's just using so little resources. And take this in mind, it's actually a virtual space, a virtual machine. On a real machine, it would be really, really smooth and fluid. And this is how it looks like, the frosted glass look. And to be honest, this is exactly what people wanted, the most requested customization option. And to be honest, if we had something like this on GNOME by default, like yes, you do have Blur My Shell, which blurs out quite a lot of things, but still, just like this, it's not blurred. We only have the GNOME shell which is blurred, not applications. No, they're not. Not even this or this. And that is exactly where Cosmic Desktop is just amazing. And going through the applications, Cosmic is now almost like a full-fledged desktop if you ask me. Well, I would like to, change one thing in appearance. Do you see let me just show you first. Appearance. I would like it on slightly round, not too round. That's what I like. We also have option for interface density. What if it's compact? What if it's spacious? I like spacious. Yep, I like it. Then talking about the display, the stuff, power and battery, I'd go with high performance. Let's check the system, okay? So this is the latest version of Pop! OS 24.04 LTS. I'm really waiting for the latest 26th version, the 2026 version, if they would release a new big update. But still, you do get latest the greatest. It's Linux kernel 7.11. Right now, on my latest Fedora desktop, I have the exact same kernel. Let me just show you. Well, 7.1.3. Oh, sorry, I forgot. It's the LTS version. There's a difference. On LTS version, you're just one or two variations behind, but still it is in the 7th generation lineup, isn't it? Based on Wayland, desktop environment is Cosmic, giving you exactly what you need. And check this out, like you can change panel, dock, window management, workspaces, you have that customizability. It gives you exactly what people wanted. Alright, this is nice. And not to forget, let me just open a few applications first, okay? And now let's say resources, and then let's say another application like terminal, and now this feature, tile the current workspace. There you go. It looks darn good if you ask me, doesn't it? Indeed it does. Yep, it looks really, really amazing. And this was Cosmic Desktop, the latest version with frosted glass appearance. And to be honest, it is literally one of the best looking distributions which you get out of the box. It's literally top third, like it's hashtag 3 on my list. Now the first one is obviously Archcraft, CatchOS, because they give you like Hyperland desktops out of the box, pre-configured, and they're pretty good if you ask me. Well, PicoOS is also nice. It gives you options like their Hyperland and Needy versions are like amazing. So yes, like it is indeed, Cosmic is indeed at one of my top lists. It's definitely above the GNOME based distributions, definitely. And when Pop! OS will release their next big update, the Pop! OS 26, I'll definitely switch to Pop! OS, definitely. And with that being said, here ends the showcase. With that being said, I hope you've enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments what do you think about it. In my opinion, it's actually something nice. But I'd like to see it more like a full-fledged desktop as GNOME or KDE. But Cosmic has a really different out of the league like vibe. The feel, the appeal of it, it's different from all the others. And that's what makes it unique. And with that being said, I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm signing out.